Did you know that if an earthquake or flood strikes, your insurance policy might not cover the damage to your property unless you have extra insurance? That's why preparing for a natural disaster includes making plans to secure your finances too. Joining us now to help consumers understand and prepare for the risk is President of the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, Clara Lindley Myers. Good morning to you, Clara.
Hello.
How are you this morning?
I'm doing well, Elliot. How about you?
Well, I'm doing great, but this is news to me and probably news to a number of our viewers as well. So why is insurance for natural disasters actually important?
It is important because your regular homeowner's insurance does not cover some of these natural disasters. That's why for your financial integrity, you need to have an earthquake policy or a flood policy, because those are the different components you need in order to maintain your financial integrity.
So why should people living in certain areas of the country be concerned about, earthquakes, for example?
You need to be concerned because earthquakes can occur anywhere in the United States and elsewhere. So you want to make sure that you are properly covered and secured should an earthquake happen in your locale. You want to make sure that you are protected. And so that's why we are trying to have these conversations, not only just on the West Coast, but everywhere.
So say, for example, a natural disaster happens, an earthquake or a flood, who pays for the damage that's sustained to your property?
You do. And that's why I'm encouraging all consumers to make sure that they have the proper coverage on their homes or businesses, simply because you need to have that coverage, the additional coverage for earthquake or for flood, to make sure that you do not compromise your financial integrity. It is absolutely imperative that you do that, because you would be paying for the damage.
A lot of people feel like their income's a little stretched right now. There's increases at the gas station and at the grocery store. So what advice do you have for consumers who might believe that they can't afford additional insurance?
I would say have a candid conversation with your insurance agent or broker or insurance company, because there might be alternatives or ways that those carriers can bridge the gap or cover the gap. And it may not be that expensive for you at all, because you can utilize deductibles in trying to adjust your cost.
So there is a flexibility allowance or a conversation you could have with your homeowner's insurance or renter's insurance?
Absolutely.
Okay, so what's being done?
That's something that you could certainly do.
So what's being done to help raise awareness about things like earthquakes and climate-related disasters?
We are continuing to put out public service announcements, consumer education materials, to make sure that the consumer understands the complex world of insurance, making sure that they understand that it's not just one type of insurance they need. There may be a variety, and so we do that. We just went through in the month of October the Great Shakeout to bring awareness to earthquake, and then also in November 14th, 2023 in St. Louis, we will be having an earthquake summit where we will be bringing together the local, state, and federal governmental officials, insurance companies, insurance brokers, agents, to make sure that they understand and we can have a conversation with them, as well as the emergency management team, so that we can try to get together what is needed and make sure that we collaboratively spread the message to our consumers.
Clara, thank you so much. This is all invaluable information, and I'm sure our viewers are very grateful. Thank you again for your time. Again, for more information, head to NAIC.org.